Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y squared. So we have 1 over y dy over y squared dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have negative 1 over y squared dy over dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for this one. This one we change for v. Now we multiply both sides by negative number 1. So we have v, and first the derivative of v. This is about linear differential equations. So we can find about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that negative 2s next to v. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. So the integration of negative 2s, that is about negative s squared. So I will multiply both sides by this one. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first the derivative of y equals to first the derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first the derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first the derivative of 8 multiplied by b, this one, that is about first the derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have ve to the power of negative s squared. So the integration of this one, that is about the square root of b over number 2 error function. And now I will put about c. About v, that is about 1 over y. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.